All right, so this is the VFEK system from Blaze Defense Systems. VFEK stands for Vehicle Fire Extrication Kit. So this version right here, we have a mounting bracket that you can mount into your vehicle. You just pop this loose, pull your system out, and the way this works is you have 2 burn dressings on each side. Pull this out, you got a seatbelt cutter and a window punch combo. The way that works is you just pop this loose like this. You got your seatbelt cutter made into it, and this part right here retracts in. Push that up against the window to pop the window. The fire suppression system is BDS-40 using Firebolt technology, fluorine-free foam. The way this works, you pull it out, pull this back, depress the actuator, spray at the base of the fire until your system's empty. And now, like I said, you got a way to treat burns here with 2 burn dressings. And that's the VFEK system from Blaze Defense Systems.